Hello and welcome back. So this is going to be the update on dollar index and setup with that. So if I'm gonna look at this weekly chart, this is dollar index basically, all right? So we are having, if I'm gonna look at this 2-week chart and I'm gonna look at this in 1984. So we have seen tremendous strength and then drop. And then again in 2000, so we have seen tremendous strength and then again drop. All right, so we have seen dot-com bubble in 2000 and then it went lower. And then again in 2008, we have seen tremendous strength and then drop. And then since in 2011, we were having tremendous strength on the dollar. All right, and just recently from these areas, when that was the place where Fed was raising the interest rate. This was the place when Fed was cutting the interest rate, and inflation came. Then they started raising the interest rate, so we peaked on the dollar at there. Okay, and then what happened from that top? Dollar started to fall. All right, so dollar started to fall and dragging lower. So we know that inflation peaked and a couple of rate hikes are in the pipeline. Inflation is significantly dropping to the downside aggressively. Core is still sticky, but headline inflation is just falling. So this might be a bigger, longer term drop on dollar index. Basically, that's the point. All right, so very much similar like this. Okay, very much similar like these drop we may experience on the dollar index. Okay, it can go all the way up to these lows. This possibility basically exists over there. That's a longer term drop we may experience. Okay, but right now we are not talking about that much bigger drop. Right now we are expecting a pullback opportunity. Okay, if I'm gonna look at this daily time frame, we were expecting dollar to fall, and dollar nicely dropped over there. And then what happened? It held that low, that bottom, then went higher from that low. All right, so it went higher back to the top. Then we were expecting it to hold that top and then drop, but unfortunately we didn't see that top. All right, the price didn't test that top and broken. And then we were expecting this to either break down that and drag lower. So price broken down, and what happened? Yeah, we were expecting it to either break or bounce. So we got a breakdown. Now price is just simply setting up for another pullback, very much similar like that. Okay, hopefully you understand the bigger picture. What happened on the bigger picture? What's happening on this, lower time frame, and what we are expecting. This is going to be a pullback counter trend trade with that trend. The trend which we may see on a bigger time frame like 2-week chart, which I have just shown you. So what you are simply looking for, you are looking for a counter trend trade and a DXY to pull back. Let me pull out my moving averages simply. All right, so daily time frame moving averages. You're looking for DXY to go back within those moving averages. Okay, within these moving averages like that. So if I'm gonna go to the lower time frame, trend is setting up, and we are having Fed rate decision next week, and price is just simply setting up for upside. So you're looking these 15-minute corrections to hold and continue to keep pushing more higher. All right, so pullback, these pullbacks happen, price broke out. So you're looking for another pullback to happen and break out and continue to keep pushing more high. In case if it tests that low, does not continue, test that low, so still going to be a pullback opportunity, counter trend opportunity. All right, so we have seen that the dollar already gained, and gain against some currencies, some risk on currencies, and that's a sign that the dollar, DXY may also bounce back all the way up to the moving averages, which I have just shown you on daily time frame. Okay, so remember, price should not fall below this 99.50. Yeah, so if it fall below this, yeah, this may change the buy opportunity. All right, thank you.